Hello guys, we have new device here, and the problem was no power. This is a Macbook Pro model A1502. So we will try it now if it's it is no power. Yeah, it is charging. But it is not turning on, guys. We will try to turn it on. Yeah, it is not turning on, but it is charging, I think. It is not turning on, guys. So we will be opening the device and check what's the problem. First, we will open the device. We will be using pentalobe number 5 screwdriver. I think it is clean, guys. Guys, this is the situation right now. It is clean. I did not see any debris or liquid spill. So in case like this, we will try to remove the battery like that, and we will try to turn it on using only the charger. So remember, we remove the battery. And we will put the charger. Check for any activity on the fan. Yeah, there's no activity, so it means we will remove the board and check back side. So guys, we will be removing the motherboard. I think this device was already fixed by another shop, so We will see. Now I am using the Torx number 5 or T5 screwdriver. Another way to isolate the problem, guys, we will run the board by itself, no accessories connected. So I did not feel any parts hot. Next thing we do is to check it under the microscope if we see something bad to the parts. So guys, after thorough checking, I found this corrosion on the IPS IC. I will show you on the microscope. That is the corrosion, guys. It will not turn on with that corrosion. We will check what are the purpose of that pins and what's the function of that IC. There's no way it will not turn on without anything happen to the board, guys. So you should if you are troubleshooting like this, you should have a microscope. You cannot see it by bare eyes. I will show you outside the microscope. You cannot see it directly. With your eyes without microscope. Now we will check what's that IC. this is that IC, guys. So the corrosion part, I mean the corroded parts, corroded pins is here. This is the 5 bolts is for underscore grab. The problem was U7501 IC was corroded, so we will just remove that IC and check if we can reconnect all the pins without replacing the IC. I hope, guys, we will not have to replace this IC. I think the IC is fine, guys. There is just one pin disconnected, and I hope we can get it connected back to the board. The pin disconnected on U7501 part was this pin. This is the P5 BS4 underscore BB BST. So it is connected to the capacitor. So what we're going to do now is just connect that pin. That's what happened, guys, after I scratch and resolder. So now it is ready to be connected again. So I will connect it and we will try if it is working. Guys, if you are not sure about the orientation of the IC, you should take a picture first before you remove the IC. If you don't have the software of the board, yeah, take a picture first. It is much better if you take a picture first. Do not say I remember it like that because sometimes we forgot. And if you put this IC on wrong orientation, it will damage the whole motherboard. So it is not good to risk the whole board for just one mistake. So that is that, guys. We just return it and reconnect the pins. So now we will try the board if it is working. So this is that IC, guys. The board is very clean, so it means somebody already cleaned this one, and maybe they bring to another shop and they cannot fix it. I'm not saying that they don't know how to fix, but sometimes you need to be patient in order to properly do the job. We will clean this plugs later. We will just check if it is working. Guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It will encourage me to do more videos, and so that I can share some knowledge also. So now we will check if it is working. Okay guys, we will try it now. So guys, now it's working. So but we don't have the password yet to check the device. The customer did not give it. And it is charging fine. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, and please hit the notification bell so that you will be informed if I have new videos. And see you on the next video. Thank you and God bless.